Hi guys, I'm going to show you an open space living area I've been working on recently. And as a first step, I'm doing the walls. This is going to be the bedroom, but the client is going to keep open the barn doors at all times, apart from cooking, so I just deleted them. And now I'm going to try and replicate the floor the client has already in, so I'm not actually designing or choosing the flooring in this case. And I've decided on this brown one. Now I'm trying to replicate the kitchen using inbuilt models because again I'm not modeling the kitchen, I'm just modeling the open space living, as in like actually only the living part. And here like I'm trying to show you like I already did like a small pre-selection of items, but how much time I actually need to find models to replicate somebody's room is like immense. So as you can see, I'm going upwards and downwards and trying to find the perfect fit, and I can't always find it because like I'm not a 3D visualist. So there are really artists who do these models themselves from scratch, but I can't. Or even if I did, it would be so much time of mine that I need to put in. So I'm not doing that because in essence I'm an interior designer and not a 3D specialist. So in this case, I'm just trying to replicate the kitchen the client has in their rooms already. And this is taking me a bit of time here. But as I don't need actually the sink and all the other stuff to fit, I'm just going to go with the big metal parts of it, like the fridge and the oven. And that's how it goes. And I'm trying to find if something else is fitting, but I think I'm going to stick with that. And next up is the kitchen island. Well, I am designing the kitchen island, or at least I'm trying to show my client which kitchen islands could fit into the space. Well, the first option is a bit bulk, and I'm not sure I'm actually liking it. Like you can see it on the right top, the small 3D vision of it. So I'm trying to find other items or kitchen islands that may or may not fit better. I actually have one in mind, but I can't find it right now. Here it is. There we go. And now I'm looking like in 3D if it fits or which one I prefer. Well, this one is going out of the room. So I'm trying to adjust how it looks or the position. In this case, oops, the wrong side down. Upside down or the wrong side, whatever. So it now fits and is facing the kitchen as it's supposed to be. Now I'm trying to find like appropriate window models. So the windows I'm trying to replicate from a picture I got from my client. So they got 3 in this case, very nice one. Because they got a lot of natural light, as you might see in the renders in a minute. So here's a lucky strike. So I just found sofa model that I would like to go for. That was quite easy in this case. And they got full length mirrors, so I'm trying to sort of get it to a point it actually looks full length as well, adapting their sizes. Yeah, I think that pretty much how their windows look like in real life. So I'm just having a good look and actually getting rid of that extra kitchen island. Looking around but looking around doesn't help me that much, so I need to do actually a render, which is basically a photograph of what I'm seeing there, because you can see these materials aren't real life or are not realistic. I can't really tell how they look like, so this is how it was actually after rendering. And I realized that I need an extra angle because I couldn't see the kitchen or couldn't get the kitchen into the picture. Oh, there's a wrong camera angle. I was in the wall basically. Happens from time to time. I'm looking for rugs now, basically. That might fit into my design. So that one is too small, but we've got like a small storage desk area on the left hand corner. So I'm going to just put it there. Oh, that's a nice color. It's a dark blue, so it actually fits with the sofa, in my opinion at least. Well, not that one. I'm looking for other options, as I always do. I usually never stick with the first one. Ah, here we go. That's a render of it all. And yeah, that looks okay. So I'm trying to get a good view for the position of the kitchen islands and the materials as well, because I'm not sticking with that black. It's too dark and too hefty for the blue sofa that's in the room as well. So, oh, this always happens to me when I try to use like mosaic materials, like their scaling is so off on most materials, so I'm just trying to make it fit or work. But I think I'm eventually giving up. I'm just going with the green one. There we go. Yep. Let's see how that works. It actually really fits well with the pillows and the decoration items. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, I think that works quite good. But I think the white is also too stark for this. Like, it's a strong color when everything else is like in sort of a neutral or not that hefty. I think white is too strong in some cases, because we already have like the walls in white. So I'm trying to, whoops, the wall got blue as well. That's not supposed to be. I think I'm going to just clear the wall color of that one. Yeah, I think, yes, now it's gone. So I tried to replicate a blue color from the sofa on the kitchen island. I hope when it comes to sourcing or finding actual items, I can find it again. But I think hopes are high. So this is a couch table, or the coffee table. Like in Germany, you would say couch, whatever. So the coffee table here, it's quite nice. The black really fits to the, like at least pre-render, it fits quite well to the bust. For now, I'm just trying to work on the position of the sofa and the coffee table, and it looks a bit too large for the space, so I'm just trying to make it work. I'm also rearranging the sofa to make it look more symmetrical in that case. And I need to position a TV somewhere, so this is just an initial thought or initial idea. I might discuss this with my client and come back and maybe change it, but right now I see only two options, because I don't want it to place behind the kitchen islands, just in the fear that somebody might knock it over. So I'm facing it or positioning it on that wall and fitting a TV on it. Let's see in 3D space how it looks. I think that's fine. Yeah, I think it does work. And I think it looks okay from that point of view. And I think I'm going to do a render now, just to see how it looks in real life or rendered. There we go, like to have them all in one picture. And let's see how the coffee table looks like. Okay, I think that works pretty well. The nice black of the color, or black color of the coffee table, actually works with the bar stools, and the black of the TV stand. I think that's all right. And now I'm trying to look for a different kitchen island position, because the client wanted like a kitchen island with well, kitchen island plus, I don't know how to say it really. I think it's a kitchen island plus eating dining table in one combination, or side by side. So I'm trying to scale the kitchen island a bit or move it around as well. And I think, yeah, needs to go to the left a bit to make space in front of the window, because I think dining with a view, or like at least to be able to go and look outside while eating, is a nice idea. Oh, this one's far too big. I'm not sure about dining rooms or dining rooms with round tables in them. I think they might not be practical in every case. So I think I'm going for a square one. This has like nice colors. There's the blue, it has the gray. I mean the brown and the gray, and here we go. That one is leaving us for now. And let's see if I get a 3D view of it to look how it looks. Yeah, basically I've got the kitchen island gray in the chairs now, which is also quite nice. And I'm taking a render now to see how it looks in real life, and from this angle as well. Okay, I think that looks quite good for that design phase. Yes, I think I'm going to show it to my client now and hope for feedback, and I hope you liked this video, so bye!